sesame dressing. A little bit of Alfredo. Mga half. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy Nelia Chrissy. Guys, dito kami sa tabing dagat. So, I'm going to make a shrimp cocktail. Shrimp salad. So, yan yung mga ingredients ko. I have here shrimps, avocado, tomato, and romaine lettuce. I'm going to mix this together. And then, I am going to make my dressing. Olive oil, Dijon mustard, only a little bit, sesame dressing, a little bit of Alfredo, mga half, a little bit of cream cheese, mix together, cheese, about 5 slices, then squeeze of lemon, 1 squeeze would be enough. Add to the salad, mix together, a bit of honey, and I want to taste first. I want to taste together with everything. With tomato, with lemon, with leaves, and then with avocado, and with shrimps or prawn. I want to choose a small one only. So, I'm going to taste it here. Perfect. Then they're going to eat this with the homemade French fries. My shrimp and vegetable salad. My vegetables and shrimp salad. Thank you for watching. Bye.